There's something so surreal about this part of the Oregon coast where you go from this thick temperate rainforest, step like 10 feet, and then all of a sudden you're surrounded by giant sand dunes and you feel like you stepped in the Sahara while right next to the Oregon coast. You can kind of hear the waves in the distance. I don't have a lot of daylight, so I'm probably not going to go that far, but man, I just love deserts and I love dunes, and it just blows my mind that you can go straight from the rainforest to this in a matter of feet. It actually just seriously so blows my mind that I'm right next to temperate rainforest while out here. Like, I love the desert. There's something about all of the shapes and patterns and textures and things that I just love. But it's like I entered the cheat codes for Oregon. I just decided I'm going to go onto a giant dune field like that. And here I am. These amazing windswept patterns and the purple flowers on the ground, and just all of these amazing visual sights. This place is phenomenal. This is just such a great playground. I can't tell you how much fun I'm having wandering around out here. It's almost mind-blowing having spent so much time in the coastal rainforest this year. I just kind of forget that this place exists, that I drive like 15 miles and there's these just vast dune fields in all directions with just these beautiful few spare flowers, but everything I love about desert regions, but something like 55 degrees and it just rained a ton an hour ago. And yet here I am. Speaking of rain, it's starting up, so I think I'm gonna work my way out just in case it goes into a heavier downpour. I know this camera is pretty weather sealed, but you know, I definitely don't want to take chances. So I think on to the next day, next part of the video. Just kidding. One last look.